Right, looking at magnetism and motors questions. Okay, so just be with me while I get set up. Okay. Okay, what I want to look at is, this is a little bit of work for you to be doing. Magnetism and motors question. Sketch a simple bar magnet and indicate the magnetic lines of flux. Okay, that should not be a problem. I've given you enough information this already. Okay, in the following example, state the movement of the conductor. Okay, label the part on the AC motor. Okay, draw a diagram indicating how we can generate current from a simple generator. Okay, so I will hold it there for you. Should I highlight this? What do you think? I don't know. Just make sure it's all in frame. Okay. And it's worth remembering that motors has to be designed, so there has to be someone designing the motors. Okay, it don't just happen. Okay, thank you for your time. I hope you found this useful. I'm going to leave it in black and white. Bye bye.